Don't toss your cotton jacket just because it has a hole. Here's an easy way to fix it and make it look even better. First, place a piece of lining fabric behind the hole. Then mark about 10 small dots in a circle around the damaged area. Start from the center point and stitch toward the first dot, then gently pull the thread to tighten it. Secure the stitch there and return to the center. Next, move the same distance to the second dot and pull the thread again. This technique uses a chain stitch. Keep stitching around the circle, following the dots you marked. Feed the thread through and pull it tight each time until the circle is complete. This method works great for fixing holes in many things around the house, like bed sheets, jackets, pants, or even sofa fabric. Choose a thread color that matches the clothing so the repair looks neat and stylish. Now add a small decorative flower in the center of each petal. Wrap the thread around the needle 3 times, push the needle through, then pull the thread from the inside to secure it. Repeat this for each petal until you go all the way around. Then return to the center point. Add a small bead in the middle as a cute decoration. Once finished, the hole won't just be fixed, it will look like a beautiful embroidered design.